66 million years ago, gigantic herds of plant-eating dinosaurs, including Edmontosaurus, roamed the vast plains of North America. The Edmontosaurus would become the focus of a discovery capable of changing everything we thought we knew about its kind. This remarkable story begins not with an ordinary fossil, but with a dinosaur mummy, astonishingly preserved for millions of years. In Wyoming's wind-carved Badlands, excavation teams stumbled upon something truly unbelievable. They found a dinosaur body preserved with its skin, texture, and outer contours still remarkably visible, not just bones. Such a discovery is exceedingly rare, leading researchers to aptly name these specimens dinosaur mummies. This unprecedented find shattered many preconceived notions, prompting extensive laboratory studies to unlock its secrets. Micro-CT scans, X-ray spectroscopy, and thin sections were used to meticulously examine the skin and surrounding sediments. The analyses revealed a shocking truth. The Edmontosaurus had hooves, a feature long believed exclusive to mammals. A hoof structure was confirmed for the first time in a dinosaur, a reptile that lived 66 million years ago. This discovery introduced three critical facts: the oldest documented hooves of any land vertebrate, the first confirmed hooved reptile, and the first four-legged animal showing different stances on its front and hind legs. This means Edmontosaurus walked on all fours when moving slowly, but could rise onto its hind legs and run for speed. The hoof-like covering, similar to modern horses, helped it stay stable and faster on solid ground. An ingenious adaptation. But how did this dinosaur become mummified? The researchers' conclusion was truly astonishing. After death, its body partially dried under the sun. Then a sudden flood swept over the area, burying it in mud and clay-rich sediment. Clay particles adhered to the dinosaur's skin through static attraction, forming a mask-like coating that preserved its three-dimensional shape. This clay layer, less than 0.3 millimeters thick, preserved the skin's intricate three-dimensional shape, even as the body decayed. Paleontologist Paul Sereno described it as a mask, so thin you could blow it away, with the clay drawn onto the body's outer surface like a template. This clay templating process allowed scientists to see the dinosaur's exterior almost as clearly as a photograph, revealing previously unknown features. The mummies revealed a thick, fleshy ridge from neck to tail, a single line of spines along the tail's back, and small lizard-like scales covering the body. This dinosaur was far more complex than imagined, with its true form now brought to light. One specimen, nicknamed Dakota, excavated from the Hell Creek Formation in 2006, revealed unexpected features. Examination of Dakota showed extensive fossilized skin and a broad fingernail on the dinosaur's hand, adding to its unique characteristics. Intriguingly, bite and claw marks suggested that scavenging, counterintuitively, aided in drying and preserving the skin. The research team mapped a mummy zone in east-central Wyoming, near the Cheyenne River, at the southern edge of the Hell Creek and Lance Rock formations. This area has proven to be a hotspot for exceptionally preserved dinosaur fossils, indicating unique geological conditions for mummification. The larger of two recently found mummies still bears a whole row of small spikes running down its back, from hips to tail tip, a feature not completely observed before. Digital artists have depicted the Edmontosaurus walking in the mud toward the end of the dinosaur era, based on these findings, bringing these ancient creatures to life. Thanks to the two Edmontosaurus mummies discovered in Wyoming, we now know not only the bones, but the skin, textures, and true outer form of these dinosaurs. These fossils whisper an evolutionary truth. Similar environmental needs can produce similar solutions in entirely different animals. The independent presence of hooves in both dinosaurs and mammals shows how creative and repetitive evolution can be. The Edmontosaurus's scientific name comes from Edmonton, Alberta, where its fossils were first discovered in 1917 by Lawrence Lambay. This discovery does more than teach us about the past. It reminds us that nature always finds a way to tell its story. Sometimes that story is hidden in clay for millions of years, patiently waiting for the right moment to be revealed. A fossil is found, a theory collapses, and science is rewritten, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. We've reached the end of another video, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. We'll learn a lot from the videos I share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. See you in the next video.